In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Freshdesk with Freshsales. By the end, you'll have your help desk and CRM talking to each other so your agents can see customer context right inside tickets and keep data flowing smoothly between teams. First, make sure you're signed in to Freshdesk with administrator permissions. Only admins can install and configure apps. It also helps to have your Freshsales API key ready beforehand. Treat this key like a password. Store it securely and share it only with people who truly need it. Once you're logged in, head to the admin area in Freshdesk. You'll find it in the left navigation, typically represented by a gear icon. From there, go to Support Operations, then choose Apps. On the Apps page, select Get More Apps to open the marketplace. This is where you can discover and add integrations that extend Freshdesk's capabilities. In the Marketplace search bar, type Freshsales or Freshworks CRM. You'll see the official integration published by Freshworks. Open it to review the description and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install. Installation will launch a setup flow that connects your Freshdesk account to your Freshsales instance. During setup, you'll be prompted to paste your Freshsales API key. This key allows Freshdesk to authenticate securely with your CRM so the two systems can exchange data. Paste the key into the field provided, double-check for any extra spaces, and then click Update to save and apply the connection. If the key is valid, the integration will confirm the setup and move into an active state. From here, the integration is ready to use. You should see the app listed under your installed apps in Freshdesk, and you'll begin to notice CRM context appearing where it's designed to show up, such as customer details alongside tickets. This context helps agents resolve issues faster and personalize their responses using account and contact information from Freshsales. If you run into any hiccups, common culprits include an expired or incorrect API key, or using a key tied to a user without the right permissions in Freshsales. Replacing the key with a fresh one usually resolves authentication issues. Also, ensure you're connecting to the correct Freshsales account if your organization uses multiple environments. That's it. You've connected Freshdesk and Freshsales, keeping your support and sales teams aligned and your customer data consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy supporting.